Welcome to Krankos FPV.
What's happening, my beautiful dromies? Guess what we're gonna do here today? We're gonna go and we're going to hit this cave before the rain comes. I've been trying to beat this rain, but I gotta do an intro for you so you know, you see how it is. The gray clouds are moving in. We got some train tracks that unfortunately I'm not gonna do today, but I will do soon, because the most important thing to me is getting to that cave, because I know you guys want to see it. I know you guys want to see it, and I want to fly it real bad. So what do you think? 1, 2, cave!